Hi, I'm Phil Clay and I work for Hearth & Home Technologies in the Consumer Care Division. This is a smart Batt remote and we're here to talk about this and its brother, the smart Stat remote, and how to synchronize this handheld transmitter with the receiver in your fireplace. To access the controls area of your fireplace, you will need to remove the decorative front and set it. The receiver unit will be found in this controls area and looks like this with two red wires leading into the controls of the fireplace. Now that we have our remote receiver outside of our fireplace controls area, we need to locate the Learn button. This is found on the Smart Stat and the Smart Batt systems by locating the remote off-on switch coming up above directly on top from there. Take a toothpick or some other device, insert it into the hole marked Learn, find the button, you'll hear a beep, then you have 90 seconds to hit the mode switch. That will synchronize your remote transmitter and receiver. Remember, it's very important that the remote on-off switch be in the remote position for this process. Now that we've replaced the remote receiver unit and the decorative front on our fireplace, we can hit the mode button on our transmitter and our fireplace will come on. If your fireplace doesn't start after synchronizing your remote, or if you have other questions, please visit heatilator.com to find a local dealer to assist you.